Hello and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to draw Dalvin Cook, running back superstar for the Minnesota Vikings NFL football team. We've got we received a couple of requests for Dalvin Cook, so here we go. Dalvin Cook played college football at Florida State for the Seminoles, was picked in the second round draft by the Vikings in 2017, and we appreciate you guys joining us today. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and grab your dark marker, find the center of your page up and down, center of your page across. We're going to draw Dalvin Cook's cartoon head up here above the center line. Here we go. So we're going to do the left side of the face. We're going to come down to the chin, round it out, and up. Okay, we're going to do an arch connecting here. This is the sweatband or headband that Dalvin Cook wears. Now we're going to do a little bulge out, another bulge out, and we're going to connect that with another arch. There we go. We're going to do a couple of bumps on the top. These are for the Dalvin Cook's hairstyle, so go up, down, up, and down. Okay? Do an ear out here. Do a couple of oval eyes. There's one on that side. Same size over here, an oval. Circle on the inside of the eye. Those are going to stay white. Smaller circle over here on the side, that will stay white. Those are the highlights of the eyes. A small arch. Okay, and we're going to color this eye in with our dark marker. Kind of fill this area in. This is a cartoon, kind of a Funko Pop style, a little bit cartoony. Alrighty. Same over here, we're going to color the eye in and leave those highlights white like we do. Those highlights really bring your characters to life, so whenever you're drawing eyes, always leave a highlight. Really quick, I like to get a light blue, baby blue marker and fill this area in with a blue. That simply adds a little fun, a little interest to the drawing. I like to say it's the reflection of the stadium lights off Dalvin Cook's eyes. Okay, over here we're gonna do an arch above the eye, up, and connect that with the end of the eyebrow. Fill those in. Dalvin Cook's eyebrows are complete. Let's do the nose now. So come down side of the eye, and stop. So the side of the nose, as you can see, comes down the side of the eye. That's how wide they are. The nose is, okay? The mouth, do a line over here, we'll do a line over here, and we're gonna go down and connect. That's the bottom lip, and we'll draw the upper lip right here. 1, 2 bumps, okay? And we're gonna do a quick handlebar mustache situation here. Dalvin Cook has these long he's got a lot of facial hair, so we're gonna draw a big beard on Dalvin. Connect that down to the bottom. We'll fill this in right now. This is gonna be turn into a big beard for Dalvin Cook. It goes all the way up. All the way up. So right now I'm just kind of scribbling the beard in. We'll come back and finish that off in a minute. Just letting you know where that beard is gonna fit. So let's do the neck here. Down, down to a point. Okay. shoulder pad, shoulder pad. Bring it down. We kind of round these shoulder pads out. See how they round out? Down to a waist, over, connect up to that shoulder pad. Over here we're going to do a big football. One side of the football, bring out the other side of the football and down. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. The thumb, they're just circles. We'll give Dalvin Cook's arm is kind of going behind that football, so it kind of disappears. On this side, we'll do bicep, tricep. Those are the names of the muscles, if you're wondering. The bicep of the arm, the back of the arm is the tricep. Here is the forearm, down to the wrist. We'll do a glove, thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. Okay. Now let's do the pants. Down, up, down, and connect to that waist. Do the legs. These are drawings for kids, so you know that they're kind of cartoony and fun. Let's do big shoes. These are the tongue of the shoes. Here's the shoelace bumps. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelace. Big, huge clown shoe coming over to the side, straight across, and stop right about at the ankle. Connect. Bring this ankle down. Stop. Straight across. Up and into the shoelace. All right. So Dalvin Cook also has, tucked under this headband are some dreadlock hairstyles. So we're going to bring one out here. Maybe one that comes out here. And a couple more down there. All right. We'll fill those in. All right. So get your purple marker for the jersey. We're going to get the pointed tip right here. We're going to do the number 4 in purple. Straight across, angle, down, over. And honestly, with Dalvin Cook, you could do the number 33. He was number 33 for a long time. Recently changed to number 4, so we're going to do the most recent number. And yeah. So we're going to fill this jersey in with our purple and get our yellow over here really quick. There's a stripe right on the bottom of the jersey. We're going to do yellow right here. Go up. Fill that in with yellow. There's a yellow stripe coming down the pants here. Yellow stripe coming down the pants here. I'll do yellow on the shoes. Down, down, fill that in. We just kind of have fun making up our own kind of shoes to coordinate with the color of the team. We'll give them some purple cleats. How about that? But while we have our, let's give him some yellow gloves. Because like Justin Jefferson, sometimes he wears bright yellow running gloves. Receiving gloves, I should say. Color these circles in yellow. There we go. Okay. And the purple, we'll go back to our purple. Above this yellow stripe, there's going to be a white stripe. So I'm going to leave that gap. Fill it in with purple here. All right, so we have the basics filled in. We are going to fast forward this drawing. We're going to color the purple jersey, brown football, leave the pants white, purple shoes, maybe a purple headband, color the hair in with our dark markers, flesh color, fill in that beard, and we will be done with Dalvin Cook of the Minnesota Vikings. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Let us know who you want to see, and fast forward now.